Welcome to Prefab Homes and Real Estate Investing, why it's building big in North America. Today, we dive into how factory-built housing, from mass timber apartments to foldable mini-homes, is, really reshaping real estate and unlocking new investment opportunities. In Metro Vancouver, factories use industrial robots to produce entire apartment unit-sized floor and exterior wall modules fully outfitted with plumbing, wiring, insulation, and cladding. These are shipped flat to construction sites and assembled in just days, cutting 4 to 6 months off traditional timelines and producing less waste and fewer emissions. Across the United States, prefab is honestly gaining ground fast. In Colorado, prefab homes are built in a week and ready for move-in within 6 weeks, delivering affordable housing in high-cost areas. In Maui, modular homes are providing disaster relief housing to wildfire survivors, delivered faster and at lower cost than traditional construction. In California, companies are offering modular and even three-dimensional printed homes to rebuild after wildfires, cutting hundreds of thousands off rebuilding costs. California Polytechnic State University is building over 4,000 modular dorm units, the largest prefab student housing project in United States history. These steel-framed units are cheaper, faster, and designed to meet rising housing demand on campus and beyond. Prefab is now attracting, some serious capital. US-based startup Boxabl is going public in a $3.5 billion SPAC deal after massive demand for its $20,000 foldable homes. The global prefab construction market is expected to surpass $74 billion by 2025. From panelized building systems to fully modular communities, institutional and retail investors alike are looking at prefab as the next big asset class. Prefab buildings generate up to 43% fewer carbon emissions and 50 to 70% less waste. They also integrate energy-efficient systems, smart home tech, and sustainable materials, meeting the growing demand for green housing. Even retail giants are entering the space. You can now order a prefab tiny home on Amazon for just over $11,000. Prefab's growth isn't without hurdles. Issues like transportation logistics, permitting delays, and public skepticism are real. But with governments backing modular as a solution to housing shortages, and demand continuing to rise, the industry is moving fast to solve them. Here's why prefab matters to real estate investors. Faster build times equals faster returns. Consistent quality means lower risk. Green design brings long-term market appeal. Repeatable models make for scalable portfolios. Whether you're investing in multifamily developments, workforce housing, or even factory infrastructure, prefab is transforming how real estate gets built and who profits from it. If you're excited about the future of housing, prefab construction, or real estate investing, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on prefab's role in solving the housing crisis, and where you see the biggest opportunities. Thanks for watching.